We have all these snacks. Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Bros Travels. In this video, we do some fun, popular Mexican snack taste testing. So make sure you stay tuned because this is going to be a fun video. Dave and Bros Travels. Make sure you subscribe. It's the only way to see more. We have all these snacks. And accidentally got some sort of a Hall's Munch. Not sure what that is. And if you haven't seen our last video where we take you to the popular, huge, mega Soriana Mexican grocery store located in the heart of Playa del Carmen Centro, make sure you see that. It's a must watch. So they're like little corn crisps with chocolate. Eat Mexican snacks while in Mexico. It's pretty tasty. Let's see what this means. What does that 0% mean? Like chocolate covered Rice Krispie chunks. And you must watch a Mexican movie while in Mexico, or at least a movie in Spanish. Okay, so now we're gonna try this milch bar. It is good. You should know you're Mexican. It's yummy, isn't it? Yum. Oh, let's see. Oh, crispy. Here's that crisp. Hold on, say that now. Open them. Tasty. Babe, these are different than the other ones. These are like the originals. Classic. They're like kettle chips. They're different than the regular Sabritas. Pretty good. Yummy. What do you think?
Baby, you give me
Legit Mexican movie.
You're giving me
Wild Mexican snacks. My husband is correcting me. Dave says this is a novella. Pardon, it's not a movie. It's a novella. Okay, now to eat the Carlos Quinto M&Ms with the cacahuates and the random Hall's Sandia bar that I bought. This chocolate's always good. Look at this. Yum. Yum. Okay, let's check out the halls. Definitely like a candy. But at the very, very end of the candy, the chewy candy is like definitely like Halls. Yeah, cough drop candy. It reminds me of those Ludwig's, Ludisons, I don't know, something from the 70s and 80s cough drop that tasted like candy that I just wanted to eat all of them. Not just one. They came in like some sort of a rectangle package or whatever. I'll look that up. Random nighttime in Playa del Carmen from the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen balcony. Those dudes at the spa literally worked all night long. Oh look, it's the Sabrina, the place that we went to that was packed. Definitely go to Sabrina. That was some good stuff. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you do so. Dave and Rose Travels. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and maybe leave a comment. We love comments.
Later.
Make sure you're subscribed because after we ate all of that junk food, we needed to go have some dinner. So we're taking a nighttime walk further in the town of Playa del Carmen, Mexico, to a restaurant called El Chuletón.
How is it, babe?
For some tasty limonada, tacos, and some frijoles charros, of course.
Good.
We still have some fun content coming your way from Playa del Carmen before we move on down the line to Cancun. And then this will be the last video before we fly out for a vacation to Hawaii.